To create your own memories on iPhone, start by opening the Photos app. The Photos app is where all your memories are stored and created. The first step is to select the photos you want to include in your memory. You can do this by going to the Albums tab and selecting the photos you want to use. You can also use the For You tab, which suggests memories based on the photos you have taken. Once you have selected the photos you want to include, go to the For You tab and tap on the Create Memory button at the top of the screen. Next, select the photos you want to include in your memory and tap Next. You can then add a title to your memory by tapping on the title field at the top of the screen. After adding a title, you can select the music that will play during your memory. The Photos app suggests music based on the photos you have selected. But you can also choose your own music from your music library. Finally, you can customize your memory by adding filters, changing the duration, and adjusting the pace of the slideshow. Once you are happy with your memory, you can save it to your Photos library or share it with friends and family. It is also important to note that the Photos app automatically creates memories for you based on the photos you have taken. These memories are based on events, trips, and special occasions and are a great way to relive your favorite moments. To get the most out of the Memories feature on your iPhone, make sure to regularly back up your photos to iCloud or your computer. This will ensure that all your photos are safe and can be used to create memories. By following these steps, you can create your own memories on iPhone and relive your favorite moments. The Memories feature is a great way to enjoy your photos and videos and is a unique feature that sets the iPhone apart from other smartphones.